Welcome to KTC Skill Testing Center. Our facilities is located in North of Bangkok. And it take only 30 minutes from Suwan Na Phuom International Airport. With more than 20,000 square meter of the total building facilities, we can test and accommodate multi-test trade. We provide a free accommodation when they are with us for test trade. We test trade capability of Class A welders and pipe fitter with fabricator. We also test carpenter for form work and shutter hand. We test a painter, like interior paint and exterior paint, also spray paint. The art of the concrete work is steel fixer, we test them as well. One the most important in construction, also oil and gas, is scaffolder. We also test and comply to BS 1139 or any requirement by employer. The plumber and sanitary for building are need to cover to water pump and fire protection systems. The electrician test is cover to electrical for building and electrical of industrial such as refinery, power plant and etc. We also test the air conditioning technician how to install properly and how to do troubleshoot. We train and test the conduit bender for both EMT and rigid pipe, as this task is need skill for job site. Many accident are came from lifting. We train and test the rigger who competent to give a hand signal to tower crane or mobile crane operator correctly. The steel structure erector is work close to rigger and must perform correctly to install a heavy task to the middle of air. The old model of auto mechanical work, we test both diesel and gasoline engine, as auto mechanic is always need for your car and transportation on site. Welders is our hero. We test trade for capability and efficiency of Class A welders, 6GR welders, 6G welders, stainless steel welders, flux core welders and arc welders as well. After have test piece, we must send laboratory to get an X-ray film to deliver to client with certificate that comply to the WPS by client and project requirement. Our welding station are 20 station that can test candidates at the same time under the supervision of our welding engineer and sometime witnessed by third party. Of course, we do safety induction to our man before they fly off. Thank you to the authority inspector from Ministry of Labor who visit us and inspected annually, and we fall under the skill development department. Think about skill for your project, think about skill from Thailand. We can work together and put the right man to the right jobs. Thai skill, the skills and talent that you can trust. After selection is done, we provided swab test on site by qualified hospital and approval by Ministry of Health to make sure that we deliver you a healthy person to the site. The PCR will be done 72 hours before fly on arrival to destination airport. Contact us by direct line, by email, or any channel as you like, to make sure that your project is finished on time. KTC Skill Testing Center. Vasti Light Manpower. Your project legal recruiter for today.